Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to create a pie chart in Excel, which is a very important aspect and very easy to use. Also, to create a pie chart in Excel, all that you need to do is select your data like this and go to Insert and then click on this small symbol which says pie chart and donut chart. Alright, on this drop down you will find that you can make two types of pie charts. One is a 2D pie chart, the other one is a 3D pie chart. We will cover both of them. So when can you use a pie chart? Is it says use this chart type to show proportions of a whole. Use it when numbers equal 100%. This chart contains only a few pie slices. Many slices make the angles hard to estimate, which is exactly true. So what they're trying to say is that it's good to represent, say, the total of a breakup. So that is how it sums up. So for example, we have the total sales of quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is of course the breakup of a year. So we go to this symbol and choose a simple 2D pie chart. Automatically it will give you Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 in their different colors, and from here you can choose the various styles. So it's giving you that, say, Q4 is 28%, Q3 is 28%, Q2 is 24%, and so on. You can choose multiple styles from this drop down. So this is a very good style. I like this one because it has the name also of the quarter mentioned over here and the respective percentage. You can also change the colors from here. Like you can have colors like this. You can use this option from here. I am pressing a Control Z to revert back to the normal one. Yes. You can also go to Pick Layout option and have the layouts as per your own choice. Depends. This one shows the values instead of percentages. This one shows the names and the percentages. So let's keep it this way. Now, in certain cases, you might be required to alter the data. So say for example over here, let's make it 800,000. So this would automatically reflect over here. All right. And to delete a chart, simply click it and delete. There is one more way of creating this chart. Is going to Insert, going to Pie Chart, and then say selecting this 3D chart. Now it's a blank chart. You need to do a right click over here, go to Select Data, and in this chart data range, you need to select this range. Press OK, and your chart is ready. This is the 3D pie chart, and depending upon your taste or your type of presentation, you can have various looks and feels, which again you can manage from here. All right. So this is how you create a pie chart in Excel. See you in the next video.